Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the network gear is powered and stable. Modem and router lights should be normal. Once done, swap in a known good Ethernet cable and inspect the RJ45 clips. Small breaks kill connections. Plug one end into a router LAN port and the other into your computer's Ethernet jack. Press until it clicks. You're initiating the only way to verify physical link first, because software fixes won't help if the cable or port is faulty. Now verify the physical link. Look for link or activity LEDs on both devices. Blinking means traffic. Then, on your computer, enable the Ethernet adapter if disabled. Make sure it's set to obtain IP automatically, DHCP, unless you use static addressing. Next, run ipconfig or ifconfig to see assigned IP, subnet, and gateway. If you have an IP in the correct range, packets can route. If not, renew the lease or recheck cable seating and port selection. Finish by testing connectivity. Ping the gateway first, then 8, 8, 8, 8, and finally a domain to separate DNS from routing. If pings fail, move the cable to another router port or swap cable ends. Try a second device to rule out PC hardware. If the link LED never lights, inspect the port for bent pins or try a USB to Ethernet adapter. This often reveals a defective NIC. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see no link, replace the cable with a new one before deeper software changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.